Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we are going to solve third and fourth problems of exercise number 1.1. Here the first question is if B cross A equal to set of minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. Find A and B. So here the given data is B cross A. From that we should find out A and B. So in this solution, we have to write the given data first so that we are writing B cross A equal to this. And we need to find the value of B and A, right? So here the first set is B, second set is A, right? Generally, the first number of each pairs will be coming under the first set in shortest form, okay? The second number of each pairs will be coming under the second set. Okay, this is the concept. So the what could be the element of B? Minus 2, 0, 3, right? The first number in each pair. Minus 2, here also minus 2. We should not repeat the numbers, so we are writing only one time. Minus 2, 0, 3. First numbers will be coming under first set. Okay. The second number will be coming under second set A. Okay. In simplest way, we can find out. So, in the answer, you have to write this sentence. Set of B equal to set of all first coordinates of elements of B cross A. This is first element, right? In this case, in B cross A, this is first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, right? Here, the first coordinate is minus 2. Second coordinate is 3. Okay. First number is first coordinate. Second number is second coordinate. So, in B, we have to write set of all the first coordinates of elements of B cross A. And so the elements are minus 2, 0, 3. And in A, we have to write set of all the second coordinates of elements of B cross A. Here, first coordinate. Here, the second. In A, second coordinate. Okay. So the answer will be 3, 4. So we found that B and A. This is all about third question. And next is fourth one. The fourth question is if A equal to set of 5, 6, B equal to set of 4, 5, 6, and C equal to 5, 6, 7. Show that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay, here the given data is A, B, C. Values are given. We have to prove that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay. So, we are going to take this A cross A as LHS, which is in left hand side, so that we are taking this A cross A as LHS and this part will be RHS. Okay. First, we are going to simplify LHS and then we are going to simplify RHS. After that, we are going to prove that the answer of LHS is equal to the answer of RHS. Okay, this is the concept. So, for the solution, we are writing the given data. A is given, B is given, C is given. So, this we have to find out, right? A cross A, this one. So, we are taking A cross A as LHS. And we are going to simplify this LHS first. So A cross A, the value of A is 5, 6, that is given, okay. And Cartesian product, value of A again, A cross A. So this is coming under Cartesian product, right? So if you don't know what is Cartesian product, just check out the description box. Link is there. Just check it out so that you can understand the concept easily. So here the answer would be for the Cartesian product, the answer would be 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay, this is A cross A. This is the answer of A cross A. We are going to consider this A cross A as equation number 1. Okay, and then this is the RHS, right? B cross B intersection C cross C. So we are going to simplify the first part, just enclosed by this brackets. Okay, we have two parts which is enclosed by the bracket B cross B and C cross C. First, we are going to find out this part B cross B. Here, B cross B, the value of B is 4, 5, 6, that is given. And one more time 4, 5, 6. Then only B, this is B cross B. Okay, this is also coming under Cartesian product concept. So the answer could be 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Again 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is the answer for B cross B. We found B cross B, and next is C cross C, right? So we are going to find out C cross C. The value is already given 5, 6, 7, again 5, 6, 7. So the answer could be 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. Again 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. This is the answer of C cross C. Okay, next what we have to find out? We found that B cross B. And next is C cross C. From these two answers, we are going to find out the intersection operation. So, intersection is nothing but the common value of both sets. Here, B cross B is here and C cross C is here. We have to find out the common value, common element. But first check out 4, 4. Here 4, 4 is not presenting, right? So check out the next value 4, 5 and 4, 6. 4, 5, 4. Nothing is there, right? Then 5, 5. Yes, 5, 5 is there. In B cross B is also having 5, 5. C cross C also having 5, 5. Then 5, 6 is also there. Here also there. So 5, 5, 5, 6. Next, check out the next value 6, 4. No, C cross C doesn't have 6, 4. Next, check out 6, 5. Here, yeah, it's 6, 5 is here in C cross C. And then check out next value C, 6, 6. B cross B also having 6, 6. C cross C also having 6, 6. So in total we have 4 elements. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So we can take this answer as equation number 2. Okay, now we are going to check out whether the equation number 1 and 2 is equal or not. So check out the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. And equation number 2 also same, right? So here also 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So we proved that equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. So we had proved that A cross A equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. This is all about fourth problem. We can see next problem in another video. Till then, bye, take care, thanks for listening.